Welcome to Delphin Diva Hotel, your perfect five-star getaway in Antalya. Step into the world of luxury at Delphin Diva Hotel, a stunning five-star beachfront resort located in the heart of Antalya, Turkey. This all-inclusive paradise offers an unforgettable holiday experience, blending elegant accommodations, gourmet dining, and world-class amenities for an ultimate escape. Whether you're looking for a romantic retreat, a family adventure, or a relaxing getaway, Delphin Diva has something for everyone. As you enter, you'll be greeted by a sophisticated and modern design with a grand lobby that sets the tone for an exclusive vacation. The hotel features spacious and stylish rooms, each offering breathtaking sea or garden views, private balconies, and premium comfort to ensure a relaxing stay. The elegant interiors, high-end furnishings, and thoughtful details create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Every room is equipped with luxury bedding, a minibar, a flat-screen TV, and free Wi-Fi, ensuring guests have all the comforts they need. Enjoy direct access to a pristine private beach, where you can soak up the sun, swim in crystal-clear waters, or enjoy thrilling water sports. The massive outdoor pool area is designed for both relaxation and fun, with aqua parks and slides making it a great choice for families and couples alike. There's also a separate children's pool, allowing kids to have their own fun while parents unwind by the sun loungers or sip on a refreshing cocktail from the poolside bar. When it comes to dining, Delphin Diva takes luxury to the next level. With multiple a la carte restaurants, you can indulge in Turkish, Italian, Asian, and international cuisine, all prepared by expert chefs. The buffet restaurant offers a wide variety of delicious dishes, including fresh seafood, local specialties, and exquisite desserts. Whether you're craving a late-night snack or a gourmet meal, the 24/7 room service ensures you're never left hungry. The poolside and beach bars serve refreshing cocktails and light bites throughout the day, making sure you stay energized and relaxed. For those looking to unwind and rejuvenate, the luxurious spa offers traditional Turkish baths, relaxing massages, a sauna, and a steam room. If you're a fitness enthusiast, the hotel provides a fully equipped gym, tennis courts, and various sports activities to keep you active. Yoga sessions and water aerobics classes are also available for those who prefer a mix of relaxation and movement. Entertainment is at the heart of Delphin Diva Hotel. Enjoy spectacular live performances, themed nights, beach parties, and exciting activities throughout your stay. The hotel organizes live music, cultural shows, and interactive games, ensuring guests of all ages have something fun to look forward to. Kids will love the mini club, playground, and water slides, making this resort an excellent choice for families. With professional animators, daily competitions, and engaging workshops, children are guaranteed to have an unforgettable time. With its stunning beachfront location, top-tier service, and luxurious facilities, Delphin Diva Hotel is the perfect destination for those seeking the ultimate Antalya vacation experience. Whether you want to relax in luxury, enjoy thrilling activities, or indulge in world-class dining, this resort has it all. Is this the best all-inclusive hotel in Turkey? Watch until the end to find out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more luxury hotel reviews and travel inspiration.